Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm making honey lemon pepper chicken, honey jerk barbecue chicken wings, and pig in a blanket. Today's video is a collaboration hosted by my dear friend Tiffany from Small Town 6 and a bunch of other ladies, and we're making superbowl snack ideas. I hope you guys enjoy it. Now let's begin. Right now I'm just seasoning the chicken in a Ziploc bag, and I'm using garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, honey, mustache seasoning, and you just want to use a tablespoon of each. I'm going to link the ingredients in the description box so you guys can go down there and check them out. This is some parsley. Now guys, you can choose to let this sit and marinate for an hour or a couple hours, however long, or you can use more seasoning if you wish, or less. It all depends on your preference. And zip it up and rub that seasoning. Oh, I forgot, I put some olive oil in there too. Oh guys, I forgot to mention that I'll be doing this in the air fryer. So I'll be using the air fryer for these ingredients, and as I said before, I will be linking the ingredients in the description box. And if you guys are new here, please, I would appreciate if you consider subscribing, leave a comment, like. And guys, if you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope you guys enjoy this content. I hope you find this recipe absolutely delicious. It tastes so good to me. We really did enjoy it, but my favorite had to be the barbecue, the honey jerk barbecue. So yeah, and I put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 50 minutes, flipping it halfway through. Now for the sauce, I'm just melting some butter in a saucepan, and then I'm going to add the honey, some garlic powder, and the lemon juice and pepper. And that's it for the sauce, and then pour it over the chicken. And that's it for recipe number 1. So guys, this is the finished product of me pouring the sauce over it. There you go. Absolutely delicious. Now serve and enjoy. So guys, this was my first time making this pig in a blanket. I'm using 4 franks and 3 sausage, and I put it in boiled water and I let it boil for 5 minutes. Let it cool, and then cut them in half, and then I just wrap them in the biscuits, preheat the oven at 350, and put them in there to bake for 8 to 12 minutes, flipping it in between, well, a half time. And guys, these were my daughter's favorite, and I gotta say mine too. They tasted so good, guys. I'm gonna be making this more. So guys, for the honey jerk chicken, I'm already seasoning, and it was marinating for about an hour while I was doing the other one, and I used the same exact season. The only difference is I added lemon juice to this one, and I put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for that says 18, but I put it in for 15 minutes. And now I'm making the sauce. I'm using jerk sauce, barbecue sauce, and honey barbecue sauce, and then I'm just going to whip it together, and that's what I'm going to use as my barbecue sauce. Now about around 40 minutes, I coated the chicken with the barbecue sauce, and I put it back in there for 5 minutes, and then that was it. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and please consider subscribing. Don't forget to watch the playlist. Thanks for watching.